Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful and delicious coconut flakes or coconut chips. Let's get started. Here I have some coconuts which I already broke and removed from the shell, separated the flesh from the shell, and also scraped out the skin of the coconut flesh. So I'll go ahead now, wash the coconut, and then start slicing the coconut into the shapes I want. Keep watching. Here we are done slicing the coconuts. You can also use your grater for this. You can use your grater to grate this the size you want. So after this, the next thing is to transfer into my frying pan. Next, I will sweeten it with a tablespoon of sugar and also flavor it with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. But you can skip this if you want. But this cinnamon powder added it a beautiful flavor and taste. My stove is already on, so I'll start stirring it. And I'll keep stirring it every few minutes so that it doesn't get burnt on one side. You know, if you don't want to go through the stress of this stirring, then you bake it. This is in case you don't have oven or you want to do it on the stove. I felt it was too much in one pan, so I had to share it into two. So I'm using two pans. So I'll just be serving it after serving this one. I'll stir the other one. I just felt all of them might not cook equally or at the same time, so I have to share into two. And here we have it. If you like it this way, you can take it out. If you want it more brownish than this, then you can stir it for about 3 to 5 minutes more. So I'm going to stir it a bit more so that these ones can also brown. See why I divided it into two, because some are not getting to the bottom of the frying pot, and if they don't get to the bottom of the frying pot, they are not going to brown well enough. This is also doing great. This one is also doing great. We are almost through. When it gets cold, it will dry more than this, so don't worry about the dryness, because now it is not that dry, it's still looking wet. But when it gets cold, take it out of the heat, it will be fine. Coconut chips is okay. Same with this. They are all okay. So next I'll pour it out into a bowl. Here is our coconut chips. When it cools down, we'll now store it into an airtight container or bag. I have other methods of making coconut chips or flakes. Please do check them out in my channel. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.